Hello everyone. Umgozi Ojuzi here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Nhlanhla Mafu. You all guys know her as Mafikizolo. She's been entertaining us with music wakhe. She was married to TK. You all know her husband, they got divorced. Then Nhlanhla married her best friend from high school. She's so happy. You can see, guys, they were celebrating Christmas as a family. So she wrote on Instagram and said, love, peace, and everything is everything, guys. So Nhlanhla is off the market. She's married to Mr. Right, and they are happy with the family. You can see kids are very happy, everyone is happy. So guys, let's keep the spirit of Christmas, the spirit of love. You can see how happy the kids are, and their mom and their stepdad, everything is just perfect. So congrats again. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.